All right, so we are just gonna cook up our breakfast sausage in our cast iron skillet. We have it on medium heat, and we want it to be nice and brown and crisp up. All right, now that our sausage is done, we're gonna go ahead and get our sausage in a bowl. Make sure to drain that grease. I'm using a spoon with holes in it, so we keep that grease in our cast iron. All right, now we're gonna add half a stick of butter to our sausage grease. 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of flour, right in there with our butter. Okay, one more thing we're gonna add to this real quick, and that is 2 cups of whole milk. Now it looks a little funny right now, but it's all gonna be good. You get that sausage grease in there. Ooh, all that flavor, delicious. Turn up that heat so we can get that butter melted, milk thickened. All right, let's check out. Oh my, that gravy is nice and thick now. This is how we want it to look. It has been on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes, but you guys can kind of just eyeball when you feel like it is the right thickness for you. Now we're gonna go back in with our sausage, and we are going to put this sausage right in there to make our delicious breakfast gravy. Go ahead and mix that in. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look incredible?
Yeah, it smells delicious. I want to eat it right now.
And then we're on to our next step. All right, look how thick our gravy has gotten as it's cooled. It is time now to bring in our ice cube tray. And I have here a ice cream cookie scoop, and we're gonna scoop our gravy right into our ice cube tray just like so. I know this might seem a little weird, but what we do with these little gravy cubes is gonna be so fun and so delicious. If you love biscuits and gravy, you are gonna love this recipe. It is a game changer. All right, you guys, believe it or not, we are gonna pop this in the freezer for 2 hours and let these harden. All right, I just took these out of the freezer. We're gonna pop them to the side, grab our sheet pan that I greased, and our butter tasting Pillsbury biscuits. Okay, we're gonna grab a biscuit. We're gonna go ahead and peel our biscuit open, just like so. Place half of it right there. And then we are gonna grab one of our little gravy ice cubes. Comes right out just like so. We're gonna put our little gravy right on top of our half biscuit. Grab the other half. And right around, we are gonna close all those edges so that we have a biscuit stuffed with gravy. A gravy stuffed biscuit. Kind of make it nice and beautiful. Okay, guys, let's go ahead, grab the rest of our biscuits, split them in half, and get them stuffed with our gravy. Grab our gravy ice cube, put the top on it, and then just pinch those sides. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's kind of like a biscuit bomb with gravy in it.
Ooh, it smells delicious already.
Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna grab some melted butter, and I'm gonna brush these biscuits because, come on, we want extra butter always.
Always butter your biscuits.
Yeah, you know it. I'm also adding a little bit of butter because we want something to stick to this butter, and this is gonna help. Okay, go ahead and brush every single one with our salted butter. Beautiful. Now that butter will help our sharp cheddar stick. You guys knew I wasn't gonna do biscuits and gravy without a little bit of cheese, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just do a nice little sprinkle of cheddar cheese right on top. This is totally optional. I just love a little cheesiness with my biscuits and gravy. And this is really gonna be a game changer. All right, you guys, these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and they're gonna cook for like 12 to 13 minutes. Look how perfectly golden these came out. Woo! Okay, so I did spray the pan, so they literally just come right off, just like so. Let's go ahead and pick, I think this one that looks the biggest. And let's cut into it so we can see that delicious gravy inside. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yum.
Okay, let's go ahead and give it a try.